Everyday awe. Unlock your awareness. Now, what if the most extraordinary moments of your life are happening right now, completely unnoticed? Not on mountaintops, not in life-changing events, but in the quiet spaces you pass every day. The glimmer of sunlight through leaves, the rhythm of your own breath, the simple hum of existence itself. This video isn't about escaping your life. It's about seeing it differently, unlocking the profound beauty and peace hidden in plain sight. Because awe isn't found in the distance. It's found in awareness. The modern disconnect. Most of us live on autopilot. Scrolling, rushing, multitasking, moving through life without truly experiencing it. Our senses are dulled by repetition. Our minds are trapped in constant thought. We confuse movement for progress, noise for meaning, and distraction for connection. But in doing so, we miss the subtle miracle of simply being alive. The truth is, awe hasn't disappeared from your life. You've just stopped noticing it. The science of awe. Recent studies in psychology and neuroscience reveal something astonishing. Even brief moments of awe, watching a sunset, listening to music, or gazing at the stars, have measurable effects on our well-being. Awe quiets the mind's constant self-focus, expands perception, and releases feel-good neurochemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. It literally rewires your brain for presence, connection, and peace. When you feel awe, your sense of I fades, and a deeper awareness emerges. The same awareness yogis and mystics have described for millennia. Science calls it self-transcendence. Spirituality calls it awakening. Either way, it's the same experience. A moment when you stop being a separate observer and become one with the wonder around you. The yogic view, awareness as the doorway. In yoga, this state of awe is not a passing emotion. It's a glimpse of your true nature. The ancient sages called it Chidananda, consciousness and bliss. It's the awareness that exists before thought, before identity, before even the sense of time. When you notice the breath rising and falling, when you feel the warmth of sunlight on your skin, when you pause long enough to feel life instead of thinking about it, you are touching that same sacred awareness. The practice isn't to seek awe, but to remove what blocks it: distraction, worry, and the illusion of separateness. You don't need to meditate for hours or retreat to the Himalayas. You simply need to wake up now. Simple shifts to unlock awe. Let's make this practical. Here are simple ways to invite awe into your everyday life. Starting today, pause and notice. Stop for 30 seconds. Wherever you are, look around. Notice light, color, sound, and texture as if seeing them for the first time. Breathe with awareness. Feel one full breath, from start to finish. Don't control it. Just feel it. You'll notice the mind softens and peace begins to expand. Connect with the ordinary. Washing dishes, walking, even drinking water. Make each act sacred. When done with awareness, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Listen deeply. When someone speaks, don't plan your response. Just listen, completely. You'll feel a presence not only in you, but flowing between you. Each of these moments may seem small, but together they open the gateway to awe, to the awareness that life itself is a miracle unfolding every second. The transformation. Here's the secret. Awe doesn't come to you. It comes through you. It's not about changing your circumstances. It's about changing your consciousness. The more you cultivate awareness, the more you realize. The extraordinary is never somewhere else. It's always been here. In this breath, this heartbeat, this infinite present. Awe isn't a feeling you chase. It's the natural state of a mind that's finally awake. Conclusion. the return to wonder. So take a moment, right now. Pause the scrolling, the noise, the rush. Feel your breath. Hear the subtle hum of life around you. This is it, the sacred shimmering now. The universe isn't asking you to understand it. It's asking you to notice it. Because when you do, you'll discover something profound. You were never disconnected from life. You were simply distracted from it. And the awe you've been seeking has been quietly waiting inside you all along. If this message stirred something in you, take it as your sign to slow down, to see again. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into awareness, consciousness, and the art of living awake. Let's create a world that doesn't just chase meaning, but feels it, in every breath, every moment, every ordinary miracle. Stay present, stay aware, and stay in awe. Namaste.